Hey Dutch crew and White Turtle people, have we got a cook for you today? Today, in the Ninja Woodfire Oven, we're going to be cooking a Thors Hammer, or if you want to call it, a beef shin. We have this beautiful Thors Hammer, or its proper name is shin of beef. Unfortunately, this is a bit too long to go into the Ninja Woodfire Oven, so we're going to have to cut this bone down a bit. We're going to get it seasoned up and get it in the oven. We've now removed the bone from the top of this Thors Hammer. Now it's time to get some seasoning on, and we're going to be using this Uncle Steve's Competition Cow Shake. I'm doing it on the tray because this tray is going in. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here because I feel that the bottom of these Ninja ovens where the element is gets really hot, so I just want to protect the bottom of this a little bit. So we're going to put some water in and then we're going to get it in. It's going to be a long slow cook, so we're going to need to fill this up with pellets, and the best pellets for this today is the Pellet Man's Hickory. What we're going to do is pop a full scoop of pellets into here. For this cook today, we're going to use the smoker setting, 120. I'm going to put 6 hours on this. We've already got the smoke flavour, and we're going to press start. The oven's up to temperature. It's time to get this Thors Hammer in. Looks like it's still a bit too big to go in. I think we're going to have to lie this down. We'll lie it down on the bone side, and also we're going to put the bone in, the rest of it, to roast off and get that marrow. And on today's cook, we're going to be using the Meter Plus to monitor the cook. Right in. So about an hour and a half into this cook, come in and take a look. See, I'm starting to get some colour on there. We're just going to come in and spritz. This is equal parts of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. Shut back up. We'll carry on. That's 2.5 hours in. I'm going to come in, take a look. We've got some bark now appearing on this. Spritz again. Three hours in now on this cook. The internal temperature is 72 degrees C. That's approximately 160 F. So we're going to take this out now and we're going to wrap it. So we have got 2 lengths of foil. I'll come in, put our Thors Hammer on it. We're just going to remove this at the moment. I'm going to wrap. I'm just going to leave the top open. Take our bone, pour any marrow fat in. Then we're going to take our cooking tray with all these juices in, and we're going to pour them in. And scrunch this up, bone side down again. We're going to go for approximately 2 hours or so. 5.5 hours into this cook, and this Thors Hammer is ready. We've got an internal temperature of 96 degrees C, which is 205 F. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull it out. We're going to get it onto a board and we're going to let it rest. So we're going to let that sit now for about an hour. We're just going to cover it in a towel and we'll come back. There we have our Thors Hammer. Let's get this butcher's twine off. And see what we've got. Oh, look at that. That is just pull apart, tender beef. Look at it, just falling off this bone. It's one clean bone. So there we have it, Dutch crew and my turtle people. 5.5 hours, Thors Hammer, beef shin in the Ninja Woodfire Oven. That's just so tender, just pulling apart. You can really taste that Uncle Steve's competition cow shake. I'll put a link in below on how to get that. But yeah, been waiting a long time to do this.